We at Brundle Motorsport are delighted to have our Blue Mustang invited to the Goodwood members meeting, where, as all of the other Mustangs, it will run on sustainable fuel. So we're here at the Northampton Motorsport Rolling Road to back it against our normal fuel and optimise the car to run on that through the event. So first order of business is to do a baseline run on our normal 105 RON race fuel. Then we'll get a feel for how the sustainable fuel is performing on the rolling road and any changes that we need to make to either the fuel system or the fuel mixture to optimise the sustainable fuel. We also have lambda sensors in the exhaust, so we get a feel for the mixture of the car as it's running, and then we can maximise the carbureted. Obviously, we've got no ECU here to help us out. Everything's carbureted in these cars, so yeah, we'll tweak around with the jets and make sure that it's fueling properly. I have run sustainable fuel before in the World Endurance Championship, but that's only with a car with massive electronic assistance, ECUs, and a load of clever systems to sort it out. I genuinely have no idea, but all reports of this particular sustainable fuel is that it runs really well in historic cars. In fact, I've seen a quote that says, "Who'd have thought that a fuel mixture put together to run absolutely perfectly in a historic car would perform better than some black oil we found in the ground?" And I think that's probably right, isn't it? So let's find out if that's true.
So run 4 was the first run today. That was with the lambda in this side.
Yeah.
Run 5 and 6. So 5 was the second run today with the lambda in the other side.
Other side.
And then
both on standard fuel.
Standard fuel. And then run 6, we left the lambda in the other side, ran it on the synthetic fuel. Obviously warmed it up, got rid of any fuel that was in the carburettor.
Yeah.
Then run 7, we just swapped the lambda back to this side. And what we can see is that it's consistently running richer on cylinders 5 to 8 than it is on cylinders 1 to 4.
Okay. Well, that's an interesting takeaway. But the other interesting takeaway is
it's made no difference.
Fuel's fuel.
Fuel is 100%.
We have back-to-back new fuel with old fuel and found no difference in horsepower or torque curves, which is a fantastic result and is a testament to the quality of the product, to be honest. I will admit to having my suspicions that we would lose a little bit of horsepower torque, but it doesn't seem to be the way. Now the next phase of our rolling road adventure is to try to optimise the car for the Goodwood members meeting. So now we're going to tweak away. This is the secret bit you can't see. We're going to tweak away at some bits and make sure the car is making the maximum power and torque that it possibly can be.